Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. And in this video, I will show you how to add images to menu items or specific menu items for your Shopify store. So basically, if you want to showcase products within the menu and also use images instead of just, the menu drop down and text only, there's a method that I'm going to show you, which is going to basically help you do that. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, for example, I made this example website, and let's say I have this drop down menu for products. And if I click on it, I want to showcase not only the name of the images, of the products, my bad, but I also want to showcase the images of these products here. So that is pretty much what I will show you how to do. And it's going to be very simple. You just need to follow along. Now, I need to mention that before I even jump into this tutorial, there are going to be specific themes that actually support this internally. So if you can just do a little research about your own theme and see if it does support it or not, that would be much better because what I'm about to do is actually install an app that is going to work with all themes basically. But with installing an app, it can slow down a little bit your Shopify store and stuff, especially if you have multiple apps. So instead, if you have a theme that does support this, you will need to skip this step and actually do your research on how to do it for your specific theme. But let's say you have a theme that does not have, does not support images for menus. This tutorial is going to be for you and for everybody else. So the first thing you need to do is going to be go to your dashboard for Shopify and go to your apps here. And then from here, you will need to go to your Shopify App Store. And then you will just need to go to the search bar and just search up this right here, Meteor, Mega, Menu, and Navigation. So once you type in Meteor, Mega, Menu, and Navigation, it should be this one right here, Meteor, Mega, Menu, and Navigation. And you can see it has overwhelmingly positive support because it is actually very good. It's not just for having images for your menus, it's actually making your menus very, very nice and crisp for mobile and desktop. Feel free to check out the pricing plans they have. Now, I need to note here, since we are at the pricing, the free version does not actually include the images part of the menus. So you cannot add images to your menus for free. You will need to either have Pro or Premium. Both of these do have the option to add images in menus. And also, they have much more to it. And they do offer a 7-day free trial. And to be honest, I personally do recommend that you actually invest in this because, it actually is very appealing and can have a huge impact on your store to make it look nice and clean. So anyways, what you will need to do is just go ahead and install it. And again, you do have a 7-day free trial if you want to just, play around with it before you publish things and just commit to it. And then if you like it, you can just end up paying for it. Anyway, so you just simply install the application. And then afterwards, it's actually going to ask you which plan you want to go for. Right here. So you get either Pro, Free, or Premium. Let me just stick to the free one because I'm not going to actually buy it for this store, but I can also still show you how to add images, so don't worry about that. I'll show you exactly how to do it. So after you select your plan, you will be greeted with this menu on the left right here. Feel free to pin it if you want. And basically, whenever you want to adjust anything for this app, you can just click on it and you can just see this page. So beautify your menu in minutes. So you just need to click Launch Menu Editor. And from here, you get two options. Let's forget about mobile for a second because it's very simple to set up. Once you set up the desktop, the mobile shouldn't be a problem. So either you create a menu from scratch, which is very simple. You just click on Add Menu Item, and then you just add items to your liking. Or if you have a menu that you want to keep from your Shopify store, you can just click Import Menu from your Shopify, and then you just need to enter the name of the menu that you want to import, and just click on Import. And now we've got our menu over here in our Meteor menu editor. So I've got this example for products. I've got two products here that I want to have images for. So I just click on manage. Okay. So you can see already this is how the menu would look like. So products and then product one and product two. No images and nothing. Now, the things that you can do is menu content is actually add more products, or if you don't have any, you can just add them here. And if we just add a product here, you can just rename it. So let's just do product 3. And you can just search for it here underneath products, but I don't have a product 3. So let's just actually go ahead and edit this one. Let me just delete this. Let's go. Add item menu. Let's name it product 2. And then we just link it to our product. So example product 2. And then you either use the image from Shopify, which is the image of the product that you have just linked, or you can just upload your own. And it's going to give you this option, which is going to be basically the image that you want to have on the menu. So you can, I'm just going to actually keep it so the image of the store, and I can just click on add, and I can just double check. Yes, using image from Shopify. Okay, click on done. Now that is done. So for the images, we are done here. Now to actually include the image, you will need to basically select a template. So you go to desktop templates, and here is going to be basically where the payment is needed. So these two are going to be the free ones, and you can see they do not include images. But if you did upgrade after you uploaded the image the way I told you or showed you, you should go ahead. Don't worry about the image size here, because the images I uploaded were not actually product images. I don't have any. So I just had random sized pictures on my desktop, and I just used them. They're obviously going to be more fitting if it's a proper product image. So don't worry about that. But you select a pro template or a premium template, and you can see how it actually looks like from the menu. So you can see now they can just see the images like this, or they can see, this one doesn't have, Stardust I believe does have. Okay, so you can see here the images are on the left, and then you've got my favorite, which is Amazon, which is underneath the premium template, which if you hover over one, the image is just going to show up on the right. So you can just, play around and see which template works best for you. And if you want to just change the image, you can do so from the first option that we talked about. And then obviously once you click on done, you can just go to desktop customization, which is going to give you more options to change, like the width and stuff, height, all that kind of stuff, which is very, very nice. So again, to just recap, you will need to actually go pro or premium, and then you will need to create a menu item, which you will need a picture for. To do so, it's very simple. Add item or menu, give it a title, link it to a product, and then add an image. It's very simple and straightforward, and then you just click on add. And now this should show up in here, and the images should show up if you select a template that does support images. Okay, so that is pretty much it. So the only catch when it comes to it, again, it does work for mobile. You just need to select image grid here, and then just play around with the mobile styles, and it's going to be the same thing. So it's basically, the mobile is very simple after you set up the desktop, because it's just going to be based off of it, but with a specific or a cleaner look when it comes to mobile. Okay, I hope this was clear for you guys. And yeah, the only thing that you may have a problem with is that it is not for free, but I personally think that it is totally worth it. So give it a shot and tell me how it goes. It does have a free 7-day free trial, so you can try it out for yourself and see whether you like it or not. And everything is very simple here. They help you a lot, actually, and it's very user friendly, and everything is set. So I hope you liked this video, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys.